Do you want to open an Apple TV remote with one click on your iPhone? Here's the complete setup to access the Apple TV remote on your iPhone using the Action button. Currently, this trick only works with iPhone 15 Pro, Pro Max, and will work with all future iPhone models, which will come with the Action button. Step 1. Open the Settings app. Step 2. Scroll through the Action button. Step 3. Swipe to find the shortcut Action screen. Step 4. Tap on Choose a shortcut. Step 5. Now scroll down the screen till the end, choose Remote. Step 6. Tap Show Remote Control. You can see multiple remotes on this screen in the future, so you must choose a specific remote. That's it. Now, go back to the home screen. Let's long press on the Action button. Wow, this brings the Apple TV remote control to my phone screen. Now the phone is searching for a specific TV. With this screen here, you can choose a particular paired Apple TV and everything you can control your Apple TV. That's it. So you guys, I hope this video found helpful for you. Please subscribe to this channel to get more videos. Goodbye.